in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the fam, this is why I need.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today is January 20th. Yeah. It's crazy. Last year I was coming to see my apartment. Yeah, I was coming to view it, right? Yeah. Oh wait, I thought it was the 19th. Yeah, it was Martin Luther King Day. Last year it was 20. It falls on the 20th last year, and this year it falls on the 19th. Yeah, this year I was coming to view my apartment. Look at God. Look at God. Yeah, so in 4 more days, it's gonna be here. 1 year I moved in here. Yeah. Oh, God is amazing. God is good. You gotta give thanks every day. You gotta be grateful. Like, you have to give thanks. You can't forget God. When you wake up in the morning, don't touch your phone. Give God a couple seconds to your time. Give God a couple seconds. Like, give him your time before you touch your phone. Like, give him some of your time. Don't just wake up, grab your phone and just scroll. And just scroll. Just give him, talk to God. Because God is a jealous God. And once he see you not giving him some time, baby, what he give, he could take away. So, show gratitude always, okay? Grateful always. Talk to him always. Just make time for him. That's my point. Make time for that man, because he don't play. As much as he could bless you, he could snatch that away from me too. Because I'm always talking to my God. But yeah, like I was saying, to the 20th. Oh my God. This place was empty on this day last year. God is amazing. I just washed my face. I didn't moisturize it. But God is amazing, man. Hey, I'm making an egg. And I'm going to eat a sandwich. Avocado toast, actually. And I'm grateful. I'm going to always show God gratitude. No matter what. Through the bad times and the good times. That's what I always do anyways, too. Like, when I was going through stuff, I still was showing God gratitude. Because God knows what's best for me, right? At the end of the day, when you're going through things, you might not like it, but just trust the process and just be patient and just know that God know what He doing. Like, God is an on-time God. He may not come when you really want him, but you gonna always be on time, okay? That man is an on-time God. Just trust the process, okay? Be patient. And I know sometimes being patient is hard. Trust me, because I know. But when it comes to God, you have to be patient. Because if you trying to rush him or whatever the case is, he gonna make you wait even longer. Be patient with this man, okay? That man up there, be patient with him. But yes, my God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with power and love. My God is an awesome God. And then, yeah, I feel like I need to start going back to church, like I said. So this Sunday, I'm gonna try my best to go to church. Yeah, my friend I invited me to her church, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try my best to go this Sunday. So yeah, I need to start going back to church and showing that man. Oh yeah, and I said I was gonna start reading the Bible from Genesis, because I don't know why I started in Psalms, but I don't know. I guess at that time, because I was writing Bible verses, like I said, I didn't start from Psalms 1. I started, I think at Psalm 23 or something. I don't remember where I started. I had started first writing the scriptures off Instagram, and then I was like, you know what? Why am I doing this? Like, just start reading the Bible. Start studying the Bible, but like I said, I didn't start from Genesis. I don't know. You live and you learn. Now, I feel like I need to start from Genesis and take my notes and get more acquainted with God. Yeah, because I honestly don't know the Bible that much. I'm not gonna say a lot of y'all. I don't. I know some stuff, but I don't know everything like I'm supposed to. So yeah, I'm gonna um, practice the Bible, and it's good to write down notes, highlight what you gotta highlight, and take notes and stuff like that. So yeah, the oh, that just oh God, that is amazing. Whew. Okay, so like I was saying, that just shifted my mind just now. Cause I'm just, you gotta really thank God every day, especially when you go through something so traumatic, and then the way He kept you alive, and then it's like you just have to. If you don't show gratitude after that, something wrong with you. So I'm forever showing this man gratitude every single day. Every minute I think about it, I say thank you, God. But yeah, I bought these incense. This one is sage. No, this one is frankincense. This one is sage, and it smells so good. I didn't expect the sage to smell so good. It actually smells better than this one. But yeah, I got it from Walmart because, like I said, the Dollar Tree over here don't have incense. I don't know why. I was gonna go to the one in Eureka Avenue because I was gonna go get the old bread, like I said, and I know they have the incense there. Oh, 40 coming there, by the way, and it's mainstays bread. Oh yeah, I'm gonna relax my hair and I'm gonna throw away my real hair again. I'm done with the wigs. You know what's crazy? I said I'm, I said I'm done with the wigs, but I have bought the 360 wig. I didn't even wear it yet. But I really just want to wear my natural hair again. Not natural hair, my real hair. Well, natural hair, but it's not natural looking because I'm gonna relax it. Yeah, I'm back to relaxing. I don't care what nobody want to say. I don't care. I'm relaxing my hair because I want to. It's mine. I can do whatever I want. But like I said, I'm gonna. Yeah, so I went to Walmart Saturday. I wanted to just buy the tub alone because I didn't want to keep buying the box one, the box relaxer, because I didn't know if it's the same price as the tub itself. So, but I didn't see it there. They didn't have it, and I saw it online. On Amazon, they got it for $14, and on Walmart, they got it for $21, the same size. Like, I'm gonna get it from Amazon because Walmart, please. It's the only reason I was gonna get it on Amazon on Walmart too is because okay, I need to. It's crazy because I've I've heard that I talk too fast. I can't help it. I'm gonna try my best though. Is somebody said to me on TikTok, the video that I was outside and I was I did an outfit of the day and I was like, oh, I bought some Sheen for $7 or whatever, and somebody messaged me. He's like, you from where? I thought he asked me. I forgot where he asked me where I was from. One of them. Was it St. Catherine? I don't remember. I was like, no, I'm from Clarendon. He's like, you talk really fast. I'm like, we can't help it, but I'm gonna try. Anyways, um, yeah. So I was saying, I don't remember what I was saying. All right, I'm gonna see you later. When I remember, I'll come back. I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna make a smoothie. I'm gonna edit a vlog I'm supposed to post today. I'm posting 7 days. So yeah, I'm gonna post a vlog today. A November vlog actually. And I'm gonna try, like I said, I'm gonna try my best to only do videos up to like 30 minutes because I'm tired of editing these long vlogs. So I'm gonna hold y'all. So, and I gotta think about people attention span. It's not that long. And I mean, it is mine is long. If I want to watch a good vlog, if you know somebody have a good vlog, you're not gonna know unless you click on the vlog anyways. And I feel like my vlogs be good vlogs. So whatever, you're gonna reach the right people. I went to bed so late this morning. The phone didn't die, y'all. It's crazy because I had the charger right here and the phone died on me. But yeah, I went to bed so late this morning. I went to bed like 3 something. Smoothie. It's grapes, bananas, and strawberries. Take the news. I'm about to Close to bed. It's after 12, so I'm like, I'm a little hungry. So I'm like, you know what? I ain't about to take some toasted bread. I forgot it because now it's like, it's butter bread. Let me show y'all. Never mind. So anyways, I'm about to eat this and I'm gonna eat it until I gotta get ready to go to work. It's a miracle that I'm still standing here. Amen. What you walk me through. And everything I survive, it's all because of you. I thank you for it all. Okay, thank you enough, God. Woo! This is Marvin Sapp. Thank you for it all. Thank you for it all. Always making a way. Thank you. Thank you. We stand in awe of you. Not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God. Send your spirit, God. My song. We stand in awe of you. It's my favorite part. Blasted part. Not blasted, but part right here. They took a little pause and then they come back fire. Not by power, by your spirit, God. Send your spirit, God. Yeah, man, breathe on us. She ate this song up. Come on, stuck live. I need you. You need me. We're all apart. This reminds me of when I was on a choir at church. I remember singing this song. Agree with me. We're all a part of God's body. It is His will that every need be supplied. You are important to me to survive. I pray for you, you pray for me. I love you, I need you to survive. I won't harm you with words from my mouth. I love you, I need you to survive. It is His will that every need be supplied. You are important to me. I need you to survive. Amen. I'm trying to remember what day I started. Okay, so if I packed, I moved in here the 24th, right? So one day did I? Okay, I came here the 20th, and I think the 21st. Oh no, I came here. I think I came 2 days. It was two different vlogs. It was two different videos. I don't know if you noticed because I had on two different clothes. When I think the first time when I came over here, I didn't really vlog, and then when I came to show, okay, when I went to go pick up my keys, I didn't really show much. Yeah, I think when I went to pick up my keys, right? I don't remember, because I know it was two different. It was two different. If I noticed, in two different clips, I had on two different clothes when I was showing. When I came up the train and when I was going up the steps. So it was two different clothes, but I don't remember what I did. What I came over here for the first time. I think I came over here for the keys. I think I did. And the second time I came to show y'all the place, right? I think that's what it was. I don't remember, but it's a whole year already. And then when did I move? I started packing. I'm with the 24th. Yeah, so the 24th. Yeah, I packed and moved the 24th. Well, I started packing the night before, the 23rd, and then I moved the 24th. It's almost a year. God is amazing, man. No matter what the devil try to do, if it's meant for you, it's meant for you. Nobody can stop nothing God have for you. Okay? That people need to understand. Anything's for you, it's for you. No matter what the devil try to attack you with, it ain't gonna work. Because God have that assigned over your life. And once God said this is for you, it's for you. Nobody can come and try. You know? Yeah. And people fail to understand that because people don't believe in God. They believe in God, but they don't. They're actually evil people. But that's it. I'm just saying, what's for you is for you. What's meant for you is gonna be for you. Once God has a say to it, okay? Nothing nobody can do will stop that. Nothing. Not a damn thing. Way. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my little place. My one apartment to myself. You know what was crazy? People who try to humble people, that's already humble. You can't humble me. Because I'm a very much humble person. You know what's crazy? People choose to do certain things. People choose to be humble. Like they can't show off they want. They can't show off, no. People can't show off. You know, people decide people choose to what's the word? I don't know to show off. What word am I going to say? People choose to be hype and just showing off pretty much. Yeah, people choose to do that. So when somebody humble, don't try to humble them. Because I've been humble all my life. Okay? But people try to humble you because God has favor over your life. People try to humble you. Mind you, God has favor over your life. And people try to humble you. Don't humble me. I will never go win. Ever. Never go try to humble me. The weapons were formed, but they did not prosper. Amen? Amen. Now you will get all of that. Boomerang go right back to you. Boomerang go right back to you. People don't learn. Anyways, no negativity for my idea. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna turn this camera off. Listen to my gospel music because God is amazing and I would never take that for granted. I would never take him for granted. I'll forever show this man gratitude every single day. Okay? Yeah, better stop praying. So talk to this man. Make time for him. Just like I make time for everything else, make time for God. And he gonna know you fake. So he gonna know when you fake. Don't just be going to God asking for just asking God for things just because he gonna do something. He know when you not real, bro. Like he know when somebody is talking to him constantly. He know when you're consistent. He know when you just come here and start asking for something because I go through something. He know. He not stupid. So anyways, like I said, I've been talking to God through the good and the bad. I've been like this for the longest. I don't need to show off or show for anybody. Like I don't need to impress nobody but him. Like I don't care. Anyways, I don't need validation from nobody but God. Nobody but God. I like people who need validation from other people. I don't need it. I used to be like that though. I ain't gonna lie. I used to be a people pleaser. But once I know I could trust God and put my faith in him. Who's on? Who is nobody. I'm gonna praise my God all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later though. I'm gonna edit this video and try to post it today. So see y'all later. Hey y'all. I just washed my hair. Just showered and washed my hair. Smell fresh and clean. Today is the same date, January 20th. So yeah, I'm just watching TV right now. I just came out of home. Kiwani, he went to bed. Yeah, I had to wash my hair because my hair was, I don't know, but I'm not gonna wash it no more because I'm not gonna wash it. This is the last time I wash it before I relax it again. Probably like next week. Yeah, I'm relaxing next week. But yeah, so yeah, I'm about to make some tea. green tea or ginger. So oh yeah, what happened then I had these after I bought from Walmart with some turkey. The good thing I just cleaned my counter. They should fall out the bag. But I had it closed. Yeah, I had them with some turkey burgers, some turkey. I added some ground turkey with peppers and onions and garlic. I just put some little seasoning. I seasoned it my way, and I put a little the honey barbecue jerk seasoning on there. The waffles with. I put a little bit in there and I mix it up. Oh, it was so good. And I had it with some sweet potato fries. Yeah, I need some tea. I feel like I always gotta drink tea before I go to bed. Always. I'm a tea girl. Tea over coffee. Even though I started drinking coffee the other day. But I smell good. You know what? I smell good. You know what we started doing? I started doing this like 2 years ago. I don't know why I never do it. Like when I showered, I use this lotion and don't. Well, I used to spray like the body spray, but now I spray perfume, like actual perfume on me, smelling good, going to bed. But the body spray is good, but the body spray don't be strong enough. So, but yeah, now I started spraying the actual perfume. Then one of them dupes that I got from the Gucci dupe that I bought from Shein. Smells so good. But yeah, we're gonna get a the green tea and mint. That's what I'm gonna. You know, sometimes I'm gonna mix it with a chamomile. Yeah, I need a chamomile. I'm not gonna go to bed late today. Oh. Yeah. I used to love this shirt. I wore this shirt. I think I wore this shirt one time. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I wore this shirt like. I feel like I keep repeating my shirts because when I'm editing vlogs, I'm like, hold on. I just really shirt like 2-3 months ago, even though I washed it. But I'm saying like, I keep repeating the shirts. You know, when you do laundry and you just keep repeating the same clothes that you wear in the house. I don't know. And I'm like, hold on. I just edited a video and see me, and that's what like the yellow shirt that I had on. Like I think the last video I posted, and then I think was it July? I don't remember what month it was when I posted the video. Probably October. Yeah, I think it was October on my mother's birthday. Yeah, I had that same yellow shirt. I'm like, hold on. I mean, of course it's washed, but I'm just saying, like, I don't like that it's repeated. And you know, even though I might close me on the house, but still. So I'm like, you know what? I need to start wearing some clothes that some of these shirts I don't really wear outside no more because I don't. I wore this already in that video and everything, and I wore it outside before, so I don't really wear this outside. So I could wear this. It's a nice top though. I forgot where I bought this from. I think I got this from Rainbow. I don't remember. So I'm gonna start repeating the clothes. Because I have a lot of shirts that I don't wear. That I have in my drawer that I don't wear. I just keep, like I said, I just keep repeating it. I don't know why I do that, but that's what I do. So you out. Oh yeah, and I don't have no sugar or nothing. Because usually, the sugar, I used to get it from, I don't have no more sugar. I didn't buy none from Dollar Tree. I feel like I'm just going to keep drinking the tea like this. It's not that bad. It's cool. It's not bad. I could drink it like this. And, oh, I was watching this guy on YouTube. His name is Crew Kali. And I love his videos. Like, I found him, like, I think I found him around Thanksgiving. That's crazy because he was like, he made a whole Thanksgiving meal for homeless people. So I was on my YouTube and I was scrolling and I saw him. He was a recommended channel on my thing. I was like, oh. So from that day I started watching him. He basically just cook food for the homeless and give it to them. So that's what I'm watching right now. But I'm gonna also continue editing. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. some cookies in here the other day that I bought from Walmart. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym when I eat these because it's a little snack to have. It's a little snack because I have some here with the oatmeal. This is oatmeal, and these are chocolate chip. So I had this double from Walmart because I'm gonna make some fried chicken on there and just, you know. But I need more containers. I'm about to go at the Dollar Tree and get more small containers to put this in because it got, I see it right here, coconut flakes. So here's my dinner, some sweet potato fries with salad. It's pork meat. Kimani, where you at? Oh, Kimani came in. I'm not seeing you.
I'm seeing.
Are you sitting down?
Yes. No, you
Hi.
Hey.
I'm not seeing you, Papa.
Probably know about that.
Sit down.
No, sit down.
You want to sit down?
No.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna see y'all later. Hey y'all, today's Monday, January 26th, and I'm in Popeyes because I started working at 4, so today's probably within 3 hours. I ain't gonna lie. And it was $3.79. I bought my bottle. I bought my bottle that was at Dollar Tree. You know how long I use this bottle? I'm like, I need to start using this bottle. I just put some water in there. Put it in the freezer because I'm doing a 4 to 12 shift today. And I'll go back to my regular post next week. But yeah, we get the food. Let's show you the chicken. Right there, of course. Right there. And I got honey. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, I still didn't try Bojangles yet. Well, I'm not really in a rush to try because they don't have chicken. They have tenders. I don't really care for tenders. I'm not a tenders girl. I'm a chicken girl. But I'm gonna try it one day. But I'm not in a rush to eat. Damn, honey's one of my freaking clothes. Shit. Yeah, so I'm doing a 4 to 12 and it's like probably like 3:40 right now. So I got like 20 minutes and it's like 2 blocks away. I haven't had papa in so long. Oh yeah, so I forgot to I think I talked about it already, but like the 24th passed and it's been a year since I've been living on my own and it's been the best ever. It's been the best feeling ever. I thank God every day. But now, I think now it's a snowstorm. It was really messy outside. So messy. They give me away and did I eat another? I made the fries, but I know the fries are gonna be really cold. I'm sitting in that place. I hope they got the heat on in there because This is not worth $2.79. I knew I should never bought this. But yeah, let's see y'all later. We at work now. You know what it is? I forgot to when I came out of Popeyes to show y'all outside is. It look awful, but I'm sure y'all something because I put my Popeyes on top of it to let it stay on. Because about time I put a heater here. This remember when I used to work at Cookies. So my Popeyes on here, keeping it warm for when I'm ready to eat it. Because why not? Yeah, this remember when I used to work at Cookies downtown Brooklyn. That's where all of us used to pack up our food on this. A heater looked like this, but it was metal, way metal, like silver. I think about the same size, but like all of us packed up our food on each other, and it was warm by the time we was ready to eat lunch. That was funny. Times. You gotta do what you gotta do, because they ain't had no microwave. And if they did, it was upstairs and they didn't want us to use it, I guess. But we did what we had to do. And our lunch was warm enough to eat. It was not cold. This is where I'm at. But I'm about to do some puzzle. Because I'm bored. Oh, one trade. Hey y'all, so today's Tuesday the 27th. I'm heading to work. I have like 8 minutes for the train, so out here waiting. The snow looks so nasty though. It's the worst like when they finish snowing. I'm at Lincoln Center, and then they got a theater right here, and a little water fountain. I don't know what's over there, and they got the hall right here. Nice. At least we got free Wi-Fi, right? I guess. The train ticket forever. Hey y'all. Morning. Today is Wednesday, January 28th. It's 10:42 a.m. I got an Amazon order right here, and I got some tea, some moringa tea. So for breakfast, I think I'm getting some caramel porridge with oats. Either peanut. Should I try peanut and oats? I was talking to my cousin, and she said we can mix caramel with oats with peanuts. I might try it. I should use peanut and oats. It's a lot of protein. I think about it. For me, I'm gonna keep it in. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. Let me finish this. I'll see what I'm going to. Alright, so all I ordered was some these was on sale for something. some biotin. Vegan. So yeah, I was on sale for I think $4.76. So I bought 2. 130 capsules. I really the review, they say it's good, so biotin. And I'm waiting for my I don't know when it's coming, but I think it's coming this week. I think it's 28. It is, right? I think it's coming either today or tomorrow. So we got 2 more days. Well, I think it's 3 more days. Wait. 29, 30, 31. 3 more days until January ends. And I'm almost up to date with my videos. So Sunday or Saturday, or maybe I think Saturday. Not Friday, probably Saturday. I'm gonna post the December vlog. And then I'm up to date on my vlogs. Pat myself on the back. Because listen, people be trying, the devil be trying me. Boy, I will never let the devil bring me down. Okay? If I got something, if I have goals that I want to accomplish, I'm gonna do it. Especially when you know it's the devil that's trying to hold you back. You know how to get yourself out of that quick. But anyways, yeah. When you're aware of things, you don't let them win. You don't let them win. Because people be out here trying to hold you back. These are white capsules. Y'all can see it? Very small. Tested for potency, purity, and integrity. My hand look white because I just washed my face. I ain't moisturize or nothing. Yeah, I ever go to somebody's house and always leave stuff. I'm not that person that if I go sleep over, I'm always leaving stuff at somebody's house. I don't let my side be. Well, it's cool because I use my, hold on, I'm trying. Well, you just not. I'm so mad. Like, it's a good thing I had this. It fall back up. Because I let my, it's like this money go up. I noticed that I don't have my salary in my bag. I'm like, damn. So I use this that I bought from Dollar Tree. It's the hydrating cleansing gel with hyaluronic acid compared to the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. During the cleanses, remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Fragrance free. So this is why my skin looking. Yeah, but you know what I was saying? I noticed that because I'm getting up to go brush my face, and I'm like, where's my salary? Listen, but you don't have to bring it to my job because I need it. Okay, I need it. Or send me the money. Send me the money to buy it back. Shit, either which one, but I need it. So. Damn, I shouldn't have took this one off, but I'm gonna use one of them. It's cool. Yeah, well, my job texting me. I have a shift today, so why are they texting me? Yeah, I'm doing the 4 to 12 shift this whole week, and then next week I'm back to my regular post, which is at CUNY. So, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of miss them because they cool people. But yeah, let me see. Oh, baby. Okay. Still hot. Yeah, so you know, one day I put these on my eyes, on the eyes, and I left them. I was right by the dresser and I left them. I forgot to put them in the fridge. So you know, when I came home, it was sitting there. I'm like, dang, it dried out. Like the cucumber juice dried out. I'm like, oh my god. So I had to put something out. But out of everything, why did I choose to put apple cider vinegar? Shit be burning my eyes. I was like, damn. I could have put lemon, cucumber. You probably. But I put hyaluronic acid. I keep saying hyaluronic acid. Apple cider vinegar. But anyways, I'm gonna make I think I'm gonna make oats and peanuts. No, caramel. Caramel. There's no way I have caramel porridge. Yeah, caramel. I'm eating some of this bread, even though I'm gonna order bread. I'm gonna get some Sara Lee. I should have some oats bread. That would taste so good. So I blend up the peanuts with oat milk, and I pour it in here. I mean, I know I can pour it in a pot, but I'd rather use it as a, because I was going to use water and mix this anyway, right? So I just use the milk and mix it. And yeah, I need more though, because it's not enough. But yeah, I'm just showing y'all how I do so far. And I got my vanilla. I have more vanilla in here. Where is all the bottles? Right here. Vanilla, the cinnamon powder. I'm going to cook some chicken. That's over there. Oh, nutmeg then. Oh, there it is, nutmeg. And this is the nutmeg. Yeah, it's gonna mix us out some porridge, man. Yeah. I know it's gonna taste good. I ain't even gonna ask. Next time I'm gonna try it with oats though. But I'm gonna try my cousin way first. She said to try it with this though. Hopefully, I'm not gonna say hopefully. I know it's gonna taste good. So I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. So here it is, y'all. Big pot of porridge. Yeah. We're gonna taste it right now. It smells really good. All right, y'all. Got the porridge here. I don't think I had enough sweet milk, condensed milk. I mean, I have brown sugar, but I don't put no sugar in there. It's gonna be as sweet as how it is. I don't even care to. Like, I'm not blending out the cornmeal. I'm tasting the green. I'm gonna sift it or something. It's so thick. Yo, this order some. I guess it's looking like Chipotle food, but this was cheaper than Chipotle, I think. So, actually, Chipotle was telling me that Chipotle told me to order from them because I guess it wasn't much delivery drivers or something. I don't know. But anyways, I'm about to eat this right now. I had Popeyes earlier when I came. That was like 4 hours ago. So I'm hungry. I got 4 more hours to go. It's like 8:35 now. So I haven't ordered from Uber in so long because I cook my own food. But I was cook today, but my body was tired, man. I had to rest more than anything. I had to make the porridge and I took a nap. So I'm like, oh, I wanted to cook some rice and peas and brown stew chicken, but I'm gonna cook that tomorrow. I'm ready for lunch. I'm not buying no food tomorrow. But I mean, for the rest of the week, I have 2 more days. Today's Wednesday, yeah. So Thursday, Friday, $14 plus the tax and the delivery was only $150, and I tipped him. So it came up to like I guess $22. You can't always spend that. I'll do for I ain't mad on with guacamole. Guacamole is $3. It's a tortilla. Oh, this little hold on. But hold on. Steak and brown rice with corn. It's a little cold here. Charging my phone, so I'll turn the heat off. I'm cold. Y'all, just made some spinach rice and I'm cooking chicken because I'm not buying no food today. Today's Thursday. And yeah, I'm going for 4, so it's 1 o'clock right now. 1 on the dot to be exact. Food here, people. Everything we put spinach now. I love me some spinach. I had to fry some plantain. I just had to. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for work. I'm gonna relax. I have like an hour before I leave out. So yeah. Oh, since my son, I started buying my son the regular Oreos. I'm gonna get him these because they like they baked. See, baked by, you see it? Kimberly's Bake Shop. So I'm gonna get these with my papa. So you can eat these. Even the mini ones right here, mini muffins. 'Cause I was serious. I did not buy him no Oreos. That's what I bought him. I was not playing. But look, I was looking. Oh yeah, I saw some mini. Yeah, mini. Crap. Where did I put it? The mini. Yeah, chocolate chip cookies. With some milk. These are the best. Chocolate chip cookies with milk is the best. Okay, and I saw these two donuts right here. Sugar donut. It doesn't remind me of the donut Jamaica, but only thing you don't got no thing in there. But I'm in the mood for some donuts. So yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna do too much though, cause I ain't go to the gym no day this month. But next month for sure, for sure. I'm gonna be in the gym like 3 times a day. I'm not playing. These are brownies though, and they kind of hard cause you know it's cold as hell in here. I don't know why they turn the heat on. I was looking at this. I ain't gonna lie, but I don't know. I'm not being a big fan of pistachio, but it's giving like matcha. I don't know. It's giving matcha flavor. Is it that what? No, not mine. This is not bad. See what it's made of? Contains wheat, egg, milk, dairy. Contains biogenetic. Oh no. Wait, these contain it too? I thought this was freshly made. Hold on a minute. I don't think this is, because I did check this one. I don't think they have any biogenetic engineered stuff in there. I did look at it. See? Contain wheat, egg, milk, and soybean. No. Yeah, see? Because the lady bake it fresh. I gotta read all that first. I don't see nobody. Yeah. And these is wheat flour. So it's healthier than the processed cookies that he be eating. And I see these coconut macaroons. I wanna try these one day. They're like $5.99 though. They're expensive. I'm here waiting for the friggin' oh, I feel close up, my bad. They got rainbow cookies right here. I don't want these. This is too much. Too much. Looking like too much sugar. Oh, it's on 7 grams. Okay, not bad. I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, I'm in here waiting for the bus because the bus. Thank God this is my last day working at 12 o'clock. I'm not doing no more. Freak that. Hell no. Because these buses be taking forever. Pumpkin cake donuts. Yeah, I'm not doing this. Is my last night working overseas, and I'll go back to my regular post next week. Thank God. Because I low key miss it. Because hell no. I forgot how many degrees it is right now, but it's freaking cold. It's like in the digits. Single digits. I don't got time for that. I am not walking. I refuse. So I'm gonna be in here until the bus comes. It says 20 something minutes. So I'm here killing time. These look crazy. They are so freaking big. Look at that. Wait, hold on. Look how big they are. These are huge. Like they really big. This camera not doing justice at all. I know y'all see how well, I don't know. They look big as hell. It's too much. I should not be in this aisle. I really came in here for my pineapple, the thing that look like this. The strudel thing like look like this, the pineapple. But they don't have pineapple. And I came in for seasoning too, but they don't have chicken seasoning. You know how long I haven't had cornbread like this? Like I'm making myself. Oh, they got the Chips Ahoy muffins. Cute. Yeah, you know how long I haven't made cornbread? This is a sweet owl. Look at the banana nut. I love banana nuts and blueberry in my face. Oh, little banana nut. Should I get this? Listen to me. Outside never have to be so cold. -1 degrees, huh? 4 degrees, and it feel like -1. Yo, they're really cold, yo. Thank God I'm gonna work tomorrow or Sunday. Cause me not go outside tomorrow. Well, I'm supposed to go outside, but me not go outside early. Yo, what that? No man, I know, no, mom up some porridge. That's not what it's milk, cause I needed the milk. But yeah, I would a low fat one, 1%. Yeah, that one. And some donuts, and I had to get this what? Almond, anything almond meaty. I have some almonds in the cupboard. I have some almonds in the cupboard. I'm gonna make some one of these days. Make something with almond. Yeah, but that's about it. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I'll be tired. I'm hungry. You know, today's the end of the month. And yes, I noticed that the H on this thing right here on the wall, the O is like a little bit too far from the H, but I've been noticed that since I put it up. I just don't want to move it because if I take it off, it's gonna rip. Like the wall's gonna rip. At this point, I should still do it though because I did put a little scratches on the wall, so I probably not gonna get back my refund or the whole thing. I don't know. Not my refund, my security. In time of love, nothing. Like my nail didn't come off. Oh, this too. I just woke up from a nap, wash my face, moisturize these lips, and I'm about to have some chlorophyll water because I ain't nothing all day. It's like my fast. I could say it's a fast because literally I didn't eat nothing. Like I woke up, read my Bible, took out my son. Oh yeah, my God, open the packages. And I went to go take a nap. Okay, so this is 10 years of Einstein. I think when was it? Monday. So this has been 2016. Einstein came out, and then a few people passed away. The lady from Home Alone. Oh my God. The mother from Home Alone passed away. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Like, she passed away. I'm glad she got her flowers though before she left because it's gonna be weird now watching the movie. But and then Kevin, the message that he wrote, oh, I felt that. I felt it. I felt it. I swear I felt it. But oh, child. Some people passed away, and then today was it today? Yesterday? I think it's today. Today, the guy from Sanford, the son from Sanford and Son passed away today. Um, and then some lady that do give back on, I think on social media overall. I think I don't I think it was the last year I had went on her page because I saw her. I think she popped up on my timeline, right? And I'm like, who's this? And then I clicked on her page. I went on her page. I didn't follow her or anything. I just went on there to, support. Support it. But it's crazy how so many people passing away. I mean, it's life, but yeah. No vacation. Instagram presentation. So amazing. So amazing. One in the lemon. If you open that, I can't mention. I think. Oh, yeah. Packages to open. Amazon. Temu. Okay, yeah, these two from Temu. The sauce. Saucy. Looks off on it. I'm gonna get spoiled for because I gotta eat something. Vacation. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because I'm back. We back. Normal. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger than this. This is $14 on Walmart online. It was 21. I was like, oh, man, we ain't even that. So I had to make a Conquer Prime, and I think I canceled it yet. I gotta look. And I ain't gonna be charged, child. I'll just be doing it for the free trial, and then I cancel it because man, so I end up buying these too. This is what I used to use back in the day, like when I had my loan here. I started doing it myself, I should say. Yeah, I think this is what I do when I was going to the Dominicans, because they know how to eat their hair up. And yeah, they know how to give you a good relaxer. I think I first started using Cream of Nature. And then I think Cream of Nature give you like a coarse feel, like for your hair. I don't know why you do that, but like when you use the relaxer Cream of Nature, it doesn't give you like a silky look. Or this one eats. Okay, this is a goat. It's the one we use. But even though the first one I used was the African Pride, it's the African Pride olive oil, but it's really African Pride. It wasn't like the ORS whatever. This one is the best one. Don't stick to it. Yeah, I was saying 10 years. It's 10 years since Anti dropped. She just gonna keep reminding us that she ain't dropping nothing. My song. Put that on the beat. Oh, I was born. That's the way it was. That's the way it was. He was putting it up for faith. She put up. That's fun. Baby. Don't get interested. You were just another nigga on the hit list trying to fix the issues to the package. And I was savage. Carriage. Never told you could have it. January 28th. Oh, she posted it January 28th. Right? Yeah. It was released January 28th, 2016. That's the real and real. Are you serious? How you feel? How you feel? You feel something? That's the fun I give it to you, baby. Don't get it twisted. The anniversary. This is the last album she dropped, right? Ain't it? That goes up. But yeah, I thought it was something. One thing it was something else that was coming. Oh, maybe I was thinking. Wait, so did I order? Oh no, what's this? So I thought it was something else. Oh, I got a $5 credit because my packet didn't come on time from Timo. Ciao. Hey, hurry up. You're supposed to come today, I guess. What the problem is? What the delay? Don't piss me off. Wait, because I have boots coming in there. Listen, the way how the weather is going in New York, I don't know where. Listen, it's like, well, let me see how much, what's the degrees right now? Because maybe it's disgusting outside. And I'm complaining about New York. PA is even worse. Because PA is colder than New York. So, eee. Eee. Waiting on the sunshine, but I think I need that back. Oh, it's 9 degrees in Strawberry, -5. So, out here it's probably like what, 14? See? 14. So like 9. Oh, that's my hand. What's my area? The same. Okay, 14 degrees for like the low is 7. Last night it was freezing. Last night it was so freaking cold. It was like -1. 4 degrees, -1. Oh my god, disgusting. Tutu. Oh, tell me what you really Tutu. Kiss it, baby. I'm looking up for tomorrow, but I couldn't go play. My body was so tired. They said it's separate. I don't know why they said this shirt is separate. Is this a cotton? That part. Very much so thankful. This was definitely the last album she came out with. Damn, Rihanna. She came out with a banger though. The last one, she made sure the last one was a banger. I'm hungry. What the hell is this? I'm not sure. Is that Future? Let me see. It sounds like him. I was trying to start. Oh yeah, I think it's all the time when they was dating, right? Why did I say Future? Why the heck did I say Future? I think it was because the way it started off. Even right here too, he sounds like him. I've been thinking about you lately. I've been thinking only of you. Ain't nothing else to really talk about or show me what you gonna do. These days you be feeling lonely. You don't feel lonely, so running back like you own the sun. I like this song. Alright, let me wash my hands because I'm about to eat this donut. Yeah, we're gonna go on TikTok Live. Show you some love. Alright, so look. Oh, this is donut. Remind me of the donut in Jamaica, except it tastes, oh my god. It tastes similar. Alright, this, I didn't eat this one yet. I'm gonna eat this and I'm going to what's eating tomorrow. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Oh, I had some porridge last night. I see some porridge right now too. Oh my god. That is my song, but it's not for you. Today's not for you, girl. See how Nikki try to jump in the mix, bitch. That's one of my favorite songs. I heard that the other day I saw a video where it says Drake wrote Nicki Minaj. I think he wrote that song. He wrote it to her in the letter and she made it into a song. I think that's what it says. Damn. Yeah, she wrote it into a song and gave it to singing it to Meek. Like, that's weird. But whatever. Alright. I love that. What you want from me? You love when I fall apart, so you can put it there. Oh, don't you stop loving me, don't quit loving me. And babe, I'm fire with fire, just to get up close to me. I want for miles just to get a taste. Must be on my brain. I'm feeling this way. Not gonna lie, but she bugging right there. That part, she bugging. Be with like him. Oh, you know what, huh? Is this about Chris Brown? I think it was, right? I know what happened. Let me see something. Rihanna and Chris Brown. Let's see when the incident happened. Yeah, maybe it's not. I don't know. What year was this? When they fought? Nah, it can't be. That was years ago. That was way after. That was 2009. That's when my son was born. That's not when it's... Well, my son was born in May. I Happened on February 8th, 2009. Wow. This dinner. Goes on up in my breath. Who cares how you haters feel? Man, love my smile. Oh, that's bad. My pocket deeper than never end. Oh. I should have the inside, but it keeps switching to other Rihanna songs, so whatever. I made some one pot meal, ground beef with leftover rice I had, broccoli, and I put egg in there. Let's wash these up just now. Let's how we ball out. Come on, boy, you should be in there. No, not water. Electrolytes packets that I have. That's the end of the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.